Hey foodies! How's it going? Get ready to level up your kitchen game with Ms. Sheerin. In this sixth part of our kitchen and cooking vocabulary series, we're diving into more different terms about the culinary world. So, grab a pen and a paper and get ready to learn. Let's cook up some knowledge together. Let's get started. Introduction. In this video, we'll learn more important words you need for cooking and baking, like tools and cooking methods. Ziploc bags. Resealable plastic bags used for storing food or leftovers. Dish towels. Cloth towels used for drying dishes or hands in the kitchen. Rubber gloves. Protective gloves worn while cleaning or handling chemicals or hot items. Napkins. Paper cloth squares used for wiping hands or cleaning up spills. Poach. To cook food in liquid at a low temperature so that it cooks slowly and gently. Bake. To cook food in an oven using dry heat. Boil. To cook food in liquid at a high temperature so that bubbles form and rise to the surface. Broil. To cook food under direct heat, usually using broiler in an oven. Chop. To cut food into small pieces, usually using a knife or a chopping board. Cook. To prepare food by heating it, either by boiling, baking, frying, etc. Fry. To cook food in hot oil or fat, usually in a pan. Grill. To cook food over direct heat, usually using grill or grill pan. Knead. To mix and work dough or other thick mixtures until they become smooth and elastic. Alright foodies, that's a wrap on our new lesson today. Did you learn any new words that you'll be using in your cooking this week? Share your favorite words in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy cooking! Before we go, don't forget to like the video, share it, and to invite your friends to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!